BabyTales.
Hello, ocean enthusiasts. Welcome back to our creative corner. Today, we have a double delight for you. We're going to dive into the depths of the sea by drawing and coloring a jellyfish and a seahorse. Let's begin with the starfish. Draw a large, five-pointed star shape in the center of your paper. Starfish come in various sizes and colors, so feel free to add your own creative flair. Now, let's add some texture and details to our starfish. Draw small dots or tiny circles on each arm to represent the unique texture of a starfish. Here comes the fun part: coloring. Choose vibrant colors for your starfish. Experiment with different shades to capture the beauty of the ocean. Moving on to the seahorse, draw a long, curved line with a small circle at the top. This will be the head. Extend a slender body downward, and don't forget to add a curled tail. Seahorses are nature's artwork. Now, let's add some charming details to our seahorse. Draw small fins along the back and near the tail. Seahorses have unique features, so let your imagination flow. Now coloring the seahorse. Experiment with different shades to capture the beauty of the ocean. And there you have it, a delightful starfish and a whimsical seahorse, ready to take a swim in your artistic seascape. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, may your artistic seas be filled with wonder and beauty.